In this video, I'll show you how you can get a cool YouTube bot on your Discord server. So I've got the YouTube bot now, and I'll just show you a little bit about the bot. So I can go YT space channel and then any channels. So I can go PewDiePie, and it's then going to bring up some results of different channels, and we need to find the actual channel. So we can select number 1 here, and we can get stats about that channel that we've just searched for. So he's got 107 million subscribers. We can see his views, his videos, his join date, his country, and the channel ID. We can also use it to check trending, and we can see what's trending in the USA and so forth. Number 2 trending, number 3 trending. And I just think it's a really cool bot to add to your Discord server. So if you want to add it to yours, here's how you can do it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click on the link in the description. I'll go and leave it linked in the description, and it's going to then take you to this page here. And here you can log into your Discord account, and then you can select a server that you're an admin of to go and add it to. So this is only going to show servers that you're an admin of. So I'm going to select my KnowledgeBase server here and click continue and then authorize. Then you need to prove that you're not a robot here. So select squares with the traffic lights. Okay, so when you've done that, it's then going to authorize the bot, and it's then going to add it to your Discord server. Here you can go back to your server and it will say the YouTube bot's been added. And to get all of the commands, you can do YT space help, and it's then going to open up some commands here. And if you want specific help for specific commands, so say we wanted help for the thumbnail command, we can do YT space help thumbnail, and it's going to tell us what that specific command does. So you can see this specific command gives us a thumbnail for a video. So I'll just try it for a video of mine. YT space thumbnail, how to add songs to Spotify that aren't on Spotify. And you can see my video is number 1, and it's then going to show us the thumbnail of said video. So that's how you can add the YouTube bot to your Discord server. I hope that video helped you out.